To install the high altitude kit on your P3200iE generator, follow these steps. Ensure the generator is on a flat, level surface. Turn the fuel valve switch to the off position. Loosen the two maintenance cover fasteners. Remove the cover. Pull the fuel hose out and into a suitable container. Loosen the carburetor drain screw and drain the fuel. Clean any fluid spills. Remove the airbox cover fasteners. Remove the cover and air filter. To remove the air filter box, loosen the hose clamp. Then remove the two fasteners. Remove the float bowl chamber bolt and remove the bowl. Then, remove the main jet from the carburetor. Install the correct main jet for the altitude at which the generator is operating. Do not over-tighten the jet. Align the float chamber O-ring and reinstall the float chamber. Tighten the bolt until fully seated. Reinstall the air filter box. Tighten the clamp and fasteners until fully seated. Reinstall the air filter and cover. Tighten the fasteners until fully seated. Close the carburetor drain screw. Reposition the fuel hoses in their respective holders. Turn on the fuel supply. Then, start the generator and allow the engine to run for several minutes. Always operate the generator outdoors, in a well-ventilated area. Turn off the generator and verify there are no fuel leaks. Finally, reinstall the maintenance cover and tighten the fasteners until fully seated. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polarispower.com.